The SDG Investor Platform, a smart solution for institutional investors to identify SDG investment opportunity areas to create a more inclusive, prosperous, and just world for all. The increasingly complex development challenges, notably the COVID-19 pandemic, have disrupted progress towards the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. These challenges have increased the annual financing gap of developing countries to achieve the SDGs by 2030 to $3.7 trillion. This is where the private sector can play a critical role in filling the funding gap to mobilize more investment from the private sector and global private capital to SDG projects. The UNDP supports governments and works with public and private partners to develop the SDG Investor Platform. The SDG Investor Platform is created by the UNDP SDG Impact Group to generate country-level data and insights about SDG enabling investment themes and business models. The SDG Investor Platform is developed by UNDP country offices through a consultative process with government stakeholders, investment promotion agencies, enterprises, leading impact and commercial investors, as well as think tanks and academia to produce tangible market intelligence. The SDG Investor Platform explores the implications of the identified investment opportunity areas on critical themes, including gender equality, climate, and how digital solutions can be optimized. The UNDP has expanded the SDG Investor Platform across the globe in emerging markets, including in Latin America and the Caribbean, Arab states, Africa, Asia, and Pacific, and Europe. The SDG Investor Platform identifies investment opportunity areas in SDG-enabling sectors where development needs and policy priorities overlap. Sectors where private capital can make a difference to people and the planet. For example, food and beverage, healthcare, education, infrastructure, renewable resources and alternative energy, and financial sector. The SDG Investor Platform, a smart solution for institutional investors to identify SDG investment opportunity areas to create a more inclusive, prosperous, and just world for all.